Hey guys, guess what? Yes! Did it again! Patrick Starrr just dropped brand new product. We've got it right here. This is the Browkiki brow line. We're going to test them out. We're going to wear it. And you know what? We're going to score these products. So, let's get into it. So this one right here is the Browkiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil. The shade I picked up is actually called Soft Brown, which is number 3. The packaging, we don't need that. This is really cute. I love this red. Like, that is stunning. That will stand out in my collection. I love that. The soft brown here on the color swatch looks really good. Wait, is it too? There's a spoolie on one side. I love that. And this is twistable. Love that. All right. Actually, you know what? Let's swatch this one right here. Okay, it's a very fine line. I love that. Let's try and make some brow hairs. I actually think the color is a little bit more on the red side for me personally. You know what? It's going to be different once I get it up there, so I can't wait to test this out. Let's go in and unbox this one. So this one is the Browkiki Clear Nourishing Brow Gel. Don't need that. Okay, that is huge. I actually thought this would be so much smaller. You actually get, according to the box, 4.2 milliliters in here, which is a lot of product, so that's going to last you a very long time. So I'm really excited for this one. So this one is called the Browkiki Tinted Moisturizing Brow Gel, and this one I also picked up shade 3, which is soft brown. And I was debating between 2 shades, to be honest with you, on their website. I just wasn't sure because I also used the soft brown color in the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow line, but then again I also used taupe and I also used medium brown. So it depends on the time of the year and what kind of the look is, if it's daytime or evening, that kind of thing. Your brows change up throughout the day, 100%, right? Okay, love that. This looks a lot darker than the one that I've got on my hand. I'm excited to open this, so let's open this up. I want to see what the wand looks like. So this one is a little bit larger than I would have liked. And the color, I'm trying to get some color out on my hand to show you guys. The wand is nice. You're not going to get a terrible amount of color on your eyebrow, so I actually don't mind that. But this is a lot darker than I thought it was going to be compared to the actual pencil. So what I love about this pencil is the side with the shade on it is actually the side with the color, so that's easy to remember. But I'm actually going to go in with the little spoolie right here and then just kind of comb out my eyebrows. Love that. That looks amazing. Alright, I'm going to go in with the color side. We're just going to twist that up just a little bit. I'm just going to go in. I usually actually line the bottom of my brows first to get that shape that I'm looking for, and then I go in and draw all the little, you know, feathery-like, hair-like strokes. Okay, so my first impressions is that this is going on super smooth. It's not a terribly hard pencil like the Charlotte Tilbury. I actually super like this so far. The color does match. I thought it would be a little bit too red, but I actually am digging it. So now that we have our color laid down with our pencil, I actually really don't mind this. I kind of like it. I mean, honestly, Patrick's products are just freaking amazing. The only one I really didn't love was the primer, but his primer does work well with his foundation. But I did try it with, I believe it was the Huda foundation, I believe. I'll link that video up above so you guys can see it. And again, like, I super love all of his products, but this one is phenomenal so far. Next up, I'm going to go in with his Tinted Brow Gel, which is also in the color Soft Brown. Okay, that's like so easy and simple, and it went on so smooth, and that actually looks like so fly and so dope. I love that. Like, that is phenomenal. Okay, Patrick, you know, Patrick is coming for this brow game. Like, Anastasia, like, you gotta watch out, girl. All right, so let's go in and set this brow. So what I'm gonna do next is actually I'm gonna go in and take this little spoolie. I'm just gonna shape the brow the way I want it to set in place. I feel like my brows are so fine and so dainty for my shape of my face, but you know, girls gotta, you know, work with what she's got, right? All right, so we went in, we shaped. Let's go in and set our brows with the clear brow gel. I'm going to just go in and kind of just brush the hair up and to the side. That's how I wear my brows. All right, I kind of am super digging this. So this is the side I did with Patrick Starrr, and this is the side I haven't touched yet. So this is the all natural side. All right guys, time to score this product. These are all phenomenal and I'm absolutely loving all three of them. So I have to give straight 10s to this one all the way across the board. These two, these are amazing. I absolutely love this pencil. Again, 10s all the way across the board. And this one is phenomenal. This set my brows fantastic. I absolutely love it. So again, 10s all the way across the board. I absolutely love these products and I 100% would recommend it. I super love these products and I think that they're one of the best on the market right now. In my opinion, this is a better pencil than the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that has been my ride or die pencil for years. If you guys want to see more videos just like this one, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys!